You have to open them fast.
You selling them sets?
Draw the cards.
Reborn Tengu.
Oh, snap.
Oh. What's that?
I'll take some commons.
Motherfucking Tengu. I call the carrot 3 commons.
No, I do.
Brandon, I have.
Cookie. How do you feel?
Everything good? You just look alike. Oh god.
So got a Reborn Tengu. I think this is a holo.
What is that?
It's a shitty secret. 8 bucks.
Let's see, Cal.
Here you go.
No, that thing's like 12, I think.
So far.
You'll probably get. Oh, that's the bad black wing. Wow, poor guy.
Oh my god.
The good one is the super one. This is the bad one that's unplayable.
You mean the fatter one?
You can't do anything with it. It's level 6 tuner. What the hell do you think?
Stop it, man.
It's your Star Strike Plus box again.
Another rare. At least got that. What's one left?
That's like what, 18?
20. This round. 20. 10.
What'd you get?
Troy, Troy, put it down, Troy. Put it down, Troy.
Chinese secret.
Sure. Well, I just wondered, it's kind of strange.
What's that?
What, 5 box left?
This looks like it's a horrible box.
4.
A horrible pack.
Okay, wait. Hollow. Shien's Dojo. What?
No, but if you, that's the only
actually
thing
good.
there is, you drink it anyway.
Show it to the camera.
You never get sick.
Camera needs to do shit.
Your mother.
Yeah,
That's fucking.
that's an amazing.
Okay, where's my other Ultra and Ultra?
It's in there.
In there. Probably in.
Eggplant. What the fuck?
Is this a super?
Yep.
What the hell is this? Oh my god, it's an ant. You.
80.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Get shit
That's okay.
Where's your ulti? Neos Knight, that's $10.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Where's my ulti?
No, there's no guarantee.
Yo,
Rares.
selling glods?
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
One thing from a forward. Really?
And
Afford to play.
that's what we got.
Long territory.
I'm taking those, Brandon.
Holy shit.
There's another character.
Cal,
What? Okay.
read it.
Yeah, what packs of wings?
Are you recording still?
Yeah. No, we're doing a recap. Bunch of shit, really. Alright.